So yeah, hi friends, so welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be going to look at how to draw a support and resistance level to find out the trade. Okay, so here we'll be looking at the Bajaj Finance now. So here it's a one-day candle. So right now it's moving towards the downside. So I just want to find out a support level. So at what range the price can take a support and it will make a reverse. Okay, so I just looking at this level. So here you can find out that around that September 2019, so it made a downfall and it take a support at this level, like it's like around 1950 or 60 range, and it started moving up. So I'll be marking this level, and also this price has been acted as a resistance once, and now it acted as a support. Okay, so support is like whenever the price takes uh, U-turn from a specific level, so that is like that level is marked as a support and resistance. So here we can see that. So this is the level where the market has moved up to the higher level and it started moving down from here. So we'll be marking this level as well. And again, one more level you can find out is like this level, and this is the major top you can find out here. Okay, so now you can see that due to this COVID, the market has been started falling, and you can see that this level acted as a resistance, once acted as a support level over here. It acted as a support for the multiple times, and so recently it made a downfall beyond this support level, and it started taking this level as a resistance. So it's not moving beyond this level, so which we can take it as a resistance now. So after that we can find out that, so it moved towards a support level which is like around 1950, and you can see that post that it make down green candle, and also you can look at the volumes. So volume is like much more higher than the previous level. So you can see the volume of the green candle over here. So it is like more higher than the average of the past 10-15 days. So which we can take a conclude that the market is going to take a reverse from over here. So we can enter the trade about this high. So let's mark it as like 2100. So we can enter this level and we can take a, if you are a short term trader, you can trade, you can make a short stop loss below this support level, and you can stay in the trend till it makes, till it reaches this resistance level to make a confirmation whether it's going to take a U-turn over from here, or whether it's going to break this resistance level and move higher. So if you are a long-term trader, you can hold a trade for a long term as well. And if you are a short term trader, let's say you are buying a future or call option for a 1 month trade, you can hold it till like it reach this resistance level, and you can either close your trade, or else you can trial your SL based on the current levels. So this is about finding the support and resistance. So this not only help to find a trade for the long term, means like a short term purpose, it's also used to find a trade for a intraday. So let's look into the Nifty to find out a trade for the intraday. So for intraday, if you are trading for the long term, you should always have to look into the 1 day or a 1 week candle to find out the long term support and resistance. So this is the 1 week candle where you can find out. So now I will be going to show you guys the example of intraday. So I'll prefer taking 3 minutes or 10 minutes candle to do an intraday. So here you can see that the price Nifty has been have a gap up today, and it moved till this range in the morning, and after that it came back, and after that it started moving. So you can mark this level as a support. So now I mark this, one second. So you guys can mark this level as a support level. Okay, so now you can find out that this level, once it took a support, it moved up till this level, and again it started falling, and here you can see that there is a candlestick confirmation which is not ready to move close below the support level. So again, if you are an intraday trader, you can place a buy order over here with having a SL below this support level. You can see that it moved beyond this, and again it came back to the same support level, and again it's not willing to close any candle below this level. So again it started move, and it went till the high of 9884, which is the day's high which it made earlier. So this is the way you can find out an intraday trade, by using the support and resistance, by using the 3 minutes candle, or even if you are comfortable with the 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it's okay to find out a trade using the same candle as well. So this is the way you can use the support and resistance. So hope this video has been useful for you guys. So if you find this video useful, so please do like and subscribe to our channel if you are a newcomer here. So thanks for watching.